Hi, this is Mishima. I'm head of the Composite Material Research Center. I will introduce our laboratory. Hi everyone, this is my laboratory. We can produce a very expensive, high quality substance. This substance is environmentally benign and good materials. And our goal is sustainable development. We can use carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the most important key point substance for the environment. We must produce a high quality material using carbon dioxide recovery. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Charmin from Mishima Laboratory, assistant professor of this department. So I show you how we utilize supercritical carbon dioxide in this laboratory. So after recovered carbon dioxide, so we can use we can find as dry ice, carbonated drink, or we can use supercritical carbon dioxide for extraction, or using this kind of high pressure cell, we can produce microcapsule in pharmaceutical science. And like the importance of this using supercritical carbon dioxide is we can use this as alternative of conventional toxic organic solvents. And in this case, we can use dyeing or extracting things and then recover this carbon dioxide. The whole thing is recycling carbon dioxide. Okay, so in this you can see this structure process. So this is called high pressure cell. Use supercritical carbon dioxide or liquid carbon dioxide, and then we recycle carbon dioxide through this cell. And others are like we use supercritical carbon dioxide for extraction the organic solvent from emulsion to make nanoparticles. Like this shows the schematic diagram of this process. And why nanocapsule is important, like in case of immunotherapy, is phthalocyanine, like they are big molecule we cannot inject to our body, and to reduce the size we can make nanoparticle using supercritical carbon dioxide. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. Okay, let me introduce you with our lab members. So first, head of the department, Professor Mishima. Then our doctoral student Tokunaga, and so thank you for giving us the opportunity to introduce our laboratory. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Chico Gori, a professor at the Faculty of Commerce, Fukuoka University. I specialize in business strategy. We are studying corporate social responsibility, business ethics, human resource management, business coaching, and more. First, I'll explain corporate social responsibility and business ethics. You know, needless to less, companies aim to make a profit. But if companies overemphasize making profit, they will take a risk of causing air pollution, environmental destruction, global warming, and so on, I'm afraid. One serious pollution issues were caused during the period of rapid economic growth from 1960s to 70s. Now, there are similar problems in China, Thailand, Vietnam, and more. How should companies work on such problems? How will such companies' efforts affect their profits? And how does business ethics related to CSR. We are doing various research on CSR, including them. Secondly, I'll talk about human resource management and especially business coaching. I think business coaching is the most effective way to human resource management. I'll explain the basic flow of business coaching. Employees with self-reliance become ambitious and motivated to work. They will come up with ingenious ideas, and as a result, the organization with such motivated employees will be so activated. In this way, business coaching will be able to motivate employees to contribute to improving organizational productivity. Come here, please. This is Mr. Sittanakarin. I call him Du. Du is my student from Thailand. I'd like Mr. Du to talk about his research in brief.
Hi. My name is Sokma Sittanakarin. My research is about how to improve the retention rate of Thai employees in Japanese companies in Thailand. According to our research, we found that many Japanese companies are investing in Thailand and likely increase in the future. However, our different corporate culture and various factors, many Japanese companies are struggling to retain their employees. The best way to fix this human resource problem without just a rising salary, we have to change our approach to integrate corporate culture and cultivate loyalty. Especially, we are focusing on human development program that affect to employee satisfaction. We hope that this study will help the foreign company to succeed in investing and retain their employee in the future. Thank you.
Thank you for explaining, Du. In particular, I think, like him, people who are interested in research on differences between Japanese business and your country's business are suited for my study room's member. That's it from me. Thank you for listening. We are looking forward to seeing you someday. Thank you.
皆さんはじめまして、私は人文学部の日本語日本文学科で研究をしている江口と申します。はじめまして。私の専門は日本語の研究です。日本語学と言います。で、私の研究室、では他にも日本の文学ですね、小説とかそういったものの研究も行っております。研究するのはこういう辞書とか本とかそういうものになります。ここにあるのは日本で一番大きい辞書になりますし、ここは日本の古い言葉の辞書、それからここは昔の中国語の漢字の辞書になります。日本語の研究にはどうしても必要になりますので、そういうのを使ったりしています。で、私は専門は現代の日本語の文法を研究しています。文法っていうと難しそうかもしれませんけども、皆さんの中に日本語を勉強している人がいると思います。そういう人がより勉強しやすくなるように、難しい言葉だけではなくて、より基本的で簡単なんですけども外国人にとっては難しい言葉の研究をしております。私の研究室には、もちろん日本人の学生もたくさん来て、日本語の研究をしていますが、外国人の留学生も来て、研究をしてきました。その人たちは日本語の文法の研究をしたり、単語の意味の研究をしたり、今いるアメリカ人の学生は日本語の例えについて研究をしています。そういう研究をしていますが、そうですね、皆さんは日本語というと 漫画だとかアニメだとかそういうことで日本のことを知っている方も多いと思います。漫画やアニメの中の言葉も研究対象になっているということですね。今年の大学4年生の卒業論文でも中国人の学生がゲームの中の言葉を研究したりもしていました。私の研究は基本的に今の言葉の研究ですので、今の言葉がどういうふうになっているかということもやっています。そして今の言葉の言葉だけじゃなくて発音ですね、発音のようなものの研究も行っております。日本語が好きな方あるいはもっと勉強したいという方はぜひ私の研究室に連絡をしてください。よろしくお願いします。こちらは、昔の江戸時代の生活風俗についての、解説の本になっています。侍の時代の本になりますね。この髪の毛がちょっと違いますね。こういうものとかこういうものとかですね、の絵がたくさん載っています。説明も古い言葉になっています。それからこれが日本語の一番大きい辞書になります。とても厚くて重たいですね。でもこれも日本語の一番古いところから新しいところまでさまざまな資料の、日本語が載っています。でこちらは日本人の学生が一番よく使う本です。もうこんなになっています。これは国の歌となっていまして和歌という、短い言葉の文学を、古い時代のものを全部集めたものになっています。もうこの中で似た歌がないかとか、どういうふうに違うかとかそういうことを学生は研究しています。
Hello everyone, I am Shinya Suzuki, Department of Civil Engineering, Fukuoka University, Japan. Today, I'd like to introduce our laboratory, Hydraulic and Sanitary Engineering Laboratory. Our laboratory mainly focuses on solid waste management. So we have many collaborations with foreign countries as shown in this board. Our laboratory has been established since 1966 to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. Our laboratory focus on mainly for the target number 12, responsible consumption and production. So there are many research topics such as landfill improvement, characterization analysis on municipal solid waste, disaster waste management, and so on. So today, we focus on the landfill technology to reduce the methane gas, which causes global warming with 25 times higher than the carbon dioxide. Our laboratory has developed a semi-aerobic landfill system. We call this landfill technology Fukuoka method, which has a low cost and environmentally friendly landfill technology. So today's presentation, we show one of the experimental column on the semi-aerobic landfill after that. Thank you very much.
Hi. Okay, now I will explain about our landfill simulator. Here we prepared 3 large simulators for the real landfill site. Inside of this light simulator, we put the artificial waste component, controlled waste. Inside we have that pulp and wood chips and food waste and ceramics, metals and plastics and also used paper. So we prepared all this material and put it inside in 2006. And then we prepared 3 kind of landfill type. One is the anaerobic and semi-aerobic and aerobic one. Okay, and we prepared three landfill type, and semi-aerobic has a very big advantage because it's economically free and eco-friendly, and also no energy, no need energy consumption. Now this experiment it start from the 2006 and past almost 15 years, and we continue to analyze and to analyze research quality or production gas composition and so on, and we discovered the GHG emission is reduced the 50% compared to the anaerobic landfill site. So this result is very important. Choose this semi-aerobic landfill system as one of the method for the CDM project. And after that selection, at 2010, and after that selection, many people from the developing country and also the many countries, the people are very interested about the semi-aerobic landfill. They came to our laboratory and to study about semi-aerobic landfill. So if you are interested about this subject or this field, please come to the university and please come to our laboratory. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Yasuki Higaki. I'm professor at the Laboratory of Exercise Physiology, Sports and Health Science. And also I'm head of Fukuoka University Institute for Physical Activity. Our research focused on the effect of mild exercise on the prevention of non-communicable disease, including obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, hyperlipidemia, dementia, chronic kidney disease and liver disease. Together with physical inactivity, unhealthy diet is one of the leading global risks to sustainable health. Our approach to explore such research themes include observation and intervention study of healthy and unhealthy subjects. Also, as a basic science, we set up several studies using animal model and culture cell or muscle. Today, we would like to introduce our research from basic to applied science. Please enjoy our lab tours. Thank you.
I'm Yujiro Kose. Nice to meet you. I introduce to our study in older adults. One of our study theme is whether physical function is a marker of severe dementia in older adults. We measured two indicators. One, mobility. Time up and go test I showed. This is start position and stand up and walk and turn and walk back and sit down. This test is quickly and safety and as possible. Two, brain atrophy. We use MRI and automatically calculates atrophy score. This figure is this subject is lower atrophy, but this subject is severe atrophy. We use an indicator is medial temporal area is including hippocampus atrophy.
My name is Shotaro Kawakami. We focus on renal hemodynamics during exercise and such exercise conditions that minimize the burden of the kidneys.
Hi, I'm Yukiya Tanoue. We measure maximal oxygen uptake to evaluate physical fitness in this manner. This is me. This figure indicates the change of blood lactate and catecholamine during graded exercise. This breaking point of these parameters appear at approximately 50% of maximal oxygen uptake and use an optimal exercise intensity for exercise therapy. Endurance exercise training in this study in this intensity is found to improve physical fitness and to prevent non-communicable disease. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kazuya Sakai and I am a graduate student in Faculty of Sports and Health Science at Fukuoka University. I'd like to talk to you about our recent animal study. Promoter DNA mutation is a major epigenetic modification that controls gene expression in skeletal muscle. Neuronal nitric oxide synthase is a major source of nitric oxide in skeletal muscle and it's known as one of the key regulators of skeletal muscle mass. So we examined whether muscular inactivity alters NOS promoter DNA mutation patterns.
Hi, Masaki Kusano. Nice to meet you. We are studying the role of satellite cells on muscle memory. Satellite cells in skeletal muscle are residence stem cells and have a very important role in muscular regeneration and repair. This image, the double immunostaining nuclei and PAC7. PAC7 is specifically expressed in satellite cells. Skeletal muscle satellite cells are those in which nuclei and PAC7 are co-expressed. We are conducting various studies using these skeletal muscle satellite cells. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Taiki Yamamoto, Fukuoka University teacher. This is metabolic chamber. It is airtight room equipped bed, toilet, treadmill machine, and so on. So study subject can live for 1 or 2 days. All the air in this room is controlled, can calculate energy expenditure from O2 and CO2 concentrations. We also measured basal metabolism rate when the change environment or diet and so on. So if you are interested, please come in Japan. Thank you.